Lovely, jubbly, just tricked you there. God, look at the signal. That's got to be reviewed, especially on the first draft pro. And it's quite a lot heavier. Especially when good afternoon, people. After
Yeah.
like a frog. Anyway, oh, blimey,
You don't lose it.
the old pucker pies, and this being the baked since 1963. There you are, the chicken balti pie, 1-star heat rating, the stadium favourite.
Yeah. Now this went in the oven 190 degrees for 25 minutes.
And a cost of £1.75, unless you've got a Tesco's club card. Tesco's they came from, by the way, and they're £1.15 currently.
Right.
And you open it up, it smells lovely.
Yeah, it does smell really, really like curry based, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can really smell
I don't know if you
curry.
can see it properly on there. I can't tip it too much, but there's big pieces of. Whoa. No,
Yeah,
okay.
don't drop it. But yeah, basically the inside is, there we go. And there seems to be plenty of filling in there.
Yeah, not like the steak one the other day. The steak one the other day was absolutely hardly any steak.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's probably because chicken's cheaper. Loads of big pieces of chicken in it. Isn't there?
Yeah.
Pastry's well cooked.
Yeah, that's nice and flaky, that pastry. Yeah, and there's lots of sauce, gravy sauce inside as well.
Be interesting to see what the sauce tastes like. Right, hold on, let's have a go without chicken. Yeah. It's like curry and a pie. That's actually really nice.
Yeah, it's like a mould, maybe sort of a chip shop curry sauce,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really pleasant.
That's good. It's got a little bit of spice to it. Obviously nothing major.
Yeah, it's a mild version. It's not a hot one.
I'll try a piece of chicken now. It really is quite tasty. It's quite full of flavour though. And it is definitely like a balti sauce. I got it right.
Yeah, of all the pies that I've had lately, this one is very nice. The flavours in there, the curry flavours work really well with pastry.
Yeah, I was surprised. I thought we'd had this before, but we haven't.
No,
Have
I've not had this before.
we? We've had some form of curry pie, but it weren't very nice.
Yeah, well,
This is
one.
really good. Isn't it? That's top drawer. We did the steak pie, the pucker pie. Although the steak pie was better than the rotten other one we put it up against, but this is actually nice. I'll actually eat this again. I didn't do the calorie count, did I? The calorie count is 519 calories. That's about right for a pie. Really, isn't it?
Yeah, they're always going to be quite high in calories, aren't they? Yeah, this one is so much better than the steak one, isn't it?
There's much more chicken than there was steak.
Yeah.
And the whole thing.
But even the bottom of this, it hasn't gone soggy. Sometimes with pies, you get a nice flaky top, don't you? And the bottom's really soggy and horrible. But this is quite nice all the way through.
Yeah, no, definitely. This is definite yes.
Yeah, gets a definite yes from me. Well, I'd definitely eat that again.
Yeah, I'm made up with that. And it does exactly what it says, doesn't it? Definitely better than the steak and kidney one from the other day. 144 layers of crispy puff pastry, flavour packed balti sauce, rustic crumbled crust, and tender chicken pieces. exactly what it says on the packet.
Yeah, can't knock that.
So we both want a yes. I'll say thanks for watching. She can't jump off, so I have to stop the video. Jungle's jumping off. And feel free, like, subscribe and comment. Bonjour.